let me think about it. Can I get a little time from you? Catch a feeling, let it show, so you'll never doubt it. Want my love, boy, you gotta show it if you want my love. Better let me know if you want my love. Don't be scared to show it if you want my love. Want my love.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Javier. This is Octane and Exotics. Hey guys, we are at the July Octane Exotics meet over at the Maserati Alfa Romeo dealership in Pensacola, Florida. Unfortunately, this is the rescheduled event. We had that last week. It was all rain, nothing but rain. And today we're said 50-50, but look at that. Sun's shining, a little overcast, no rain yet. We've gotten very lucky. And we've had an amazing turnout of vehicles come out so far today. So I'm gonna walk around and show you some of the cool cars that we have going on that came out for the Octane Exotics. This is to benefit Defenders of Freedom here in Pensacola. I will put a link below at the bottom so you can check it out and see what they're all about. I'll tell you guys, they do a lot of great work with our veterans here locally in the Panhandle and the organization in general nationwide. So I'm really glad we're able to join forces with them today to be able to do that. Also, quick reminder, if you guys weren't aware, Rolling by the Bay is coming up September 7th. So in a couple months here, September 7th, we're gonna have Rolling by the Bay Car Show and Music Festival. So a couple of vehicles here today are gonna get one of these. This is a golden ticket. It is a free entry into the car show. That means their vehicle is badass enough to come inside and hang out with us and enter the show for free. But you can go to rollingbythebay.com and register your vehicle if you're interested. Also for passes into the music festival. If you're in the car show, you're automatically into the music festival. So check it out, guys. It's a really cool event coming up. But for now, let's check out some of the rides that came out this morning for Octane Exotics July meet.
Across your face, record of all the late nights starting to come of age.
Woo. All right, got me a little AC. It got hot in there. My glasses are probably fogged up because I can't see anything. But let's walk on back over, check out a few more rides, a little bit more detail on these cars. That beautiful Corvette we got out here today, and yeah, we'll go from there, guys. Bet y'all seen this car around, didn't know it did this, huh? Goddamn transformer. Yes, sir, thank you, appreciate it.
Good? Yeah, everything good?
Yeah, absolutely. How you doing, brother?
How are you?
Good.
Fuck you bitches, put them hoes into the ground. Ain't no need to call for help, cause ain't no telephones around. Just saying, fucking man, in your motherfucking ass, laying body down, sippy underneath the grab, where above. Crawl through the bush, and they see that you couldn't step around in your gown, in your weekend crew. Know you play it tough, you know killer, I can see your trick. Execute your body, brutally, with a hollow tip. You so open, captain, motherfucker, blew your face. Oh, that's a sound, ready now to kick this shit. Oh, you gon' hear the sound of a extra loud. You banging, feeling like my game, breaking, let me fuck.
Yeah. How about this guy's show?
Wow, that looks cool.
I love the rap, man. This is
Dry carbon? Dry carbon wrap?
This is PPF.
Okay. Man, that looks so good.
Ben put it on.
Yeah, I should have known.
He's my guy.
Yeah,
the way it sparkles in the light. I
Yeah.
love that, man.
dry carbon PPF. Oh, check this out, guys. We got a nice little Tesla truck that showed up. It was actually here at the last Octane Exotics, but now it has changed. Vin over at Auto Show Pro Pensacola did a dry carbon PPF on this thing. So it's protective film. Look at the, I'm sure my camera doesn't do it justice, that gloss. That comes out with the dry carbon, that glitter. It is beautiful, look at that. Very cool, very neat design. Definitely stands off. And the best part, it's PPF, so it's protective film, guys. Hold that for me. Yeah, repairman.
I travel like a grandma.
Yeah. Oh, we got some money. Payday, baby. Payday. Winning ticket. That's what's up. All right, guys. We're just gonna wrap it up for today. Really appreciate you hanging out with us. And it is a little warm, but thankfully the rain held out. I want to thank Waffle Boutique for coming out again and supporting us today. Coffee Guys Coffee coming out here and offering everybody some free coffee. DJ came out and DJ Lau, appreciate you very much. And of course, as usual, Step One Automotive Group for allowing us to use this venue for the show. But that's it, we're gonna call it. Love you guys. Catch you on the next one. Take care.